Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today we talk more about German grammar. And this is also part of my German course for beginners, where you learn German by following a story. Okay, so today's topic are the reflexive verbs. Okay, in German we have called reflexive verbs. So let's take a look. Normally we have just a normal verb like here, to wash. Waschen, waschen. But this verb actually also could be reflexive. And what I mean with reflexive means we say sich waschen, to wash oneself. So let's see an example and I explain you what actually means reflexive. So here in first person we could say ich wasche, I wash. And to make it reflexive we would say ich wasche mich. So here's our example, ich wasche mich. And reflexive means actually the subject, no? Nominative, ich. We find the same person again in the accusative pronoun here, mich. So it goes back to the person. So ich wasche mich. So it's the same person. Therefore I use this symbol, a mirror. And the mirror is our symbol for, those are reflexive verbs. So like you see, I use symbols and colors. No? In the image you have the green background because waschen here it's regular, and the green color is for nominative and the blue one is for accusative. But remember, in this moment it's reflexive because it's the same person. Okay, so but it could change a little bit when we add more information. For example, ich wasche mir die Haare. Now it's still reflexive, ich and mir it's the same person, but die Haare it's now accusative and mir it's in dative case, therefore it's orange. Why it's orange? Because in the first example, ich wasche mich, it would be the direct object in this moment because I wash myself, so I'm part of the action. But in the second one is I wash my hair, so I wash actually the hair, no? And mir has the benefits of this action. So I have the benefits of the action. Even if I do it, I have the benefits. And therefore it would be dative. So remember, if we add a little bit more information, no, then it will take the dative, no, the reflexive pronoun, and it would be say, ich wasche mir die Haare. Let's see how it works in second person. Du wäschst dich. A little bit careful because waschen is irregular, therefore in second person is du wäschst. No? Du wäschst dich. You wash yourself. And when we add die Haare, it would be du wäschst dir die Haare. So there's also a change here. No? Dir die Haare. So first person, second person, a little bit tricky. Third person, it's a little bit easier. So the example here would be wäscht sich. He washes himself. And when we add die Haare, it stays. No? Wäscht sich die Haare. So still there's accusative and dative, but it's the same word. It's sich. So just stick to sich and then you're fine. No? It doesn't matter if you add information or not. So wäscht sich die Haare. When we have it, for example, she washes herself, is sie wäscht sich, so it's also sich, no, there's no change, and sie wäscht sich die Haare. So in third person, always the reflexive pronoun is sich. Okay, so let's see the plural. Wir waschen uns, we wash ourselves. And wir waschen uns die Haare. We wash ourselves the hairs. So no change, no, it's still uns. Okay, so remember the reflexive pronoun uns. In second person, ihr wascht euch, you all wash yourselves, and ihr wascht euch die Haare. No, it stays euch. No, so in second person euch. And in third person, sie waschen sich. No, they wash themselves, and sie waschen sich die Haare, they wash themselves the hairs. So it stays sich. Like in singular and plural we have sich as the reflexive pronoun. So this is one example. All reflexive verbs do the same, like this. If you see a reflexive verb, for example, in a dictionary, always you will see it with sich waschen. Okay, that means it is reflexive. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. I hope you understood what a reflexive verb is, and I will see you soon in one of my next videos. Bye bye.